My video guide will help you to effectively remove the new adware that is currently attacking many Mac computers today. The adware is called AllocateClassics. AllocateClassics is a special adware that is designed specifically for Mac computers. You can discover this particular adware if you check your Finder and check your applications. So there will be a special application mentioned AllocateClassics. The point is that this adware is not installed by users based on their own decision. Instead, this particular adware is often spread through fake software or browser update alerts. Very often people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. This is why it is also correctly classified as a potentially unwanted application. If you have discovered this program called AllocateClassics on your Mac computer, the chances are that your Mac browsers will be contaminated by this adware. So you will be periodically receiving various ads by AllocateClassics, and your browser may also periodically redirect you to many other shady and deceptive pages. This is all absolutely annoying, and of course you should undertake the measures and get rid of this adware as soon as possible from your Mac. By the way, this AllocateClassics adware is the part of the adware family. So, how to remove this adware? First thing you should do is to, of course, go to your Finder, check your applications. When you find this AllocateClassics, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Sometimes it's not possible in the first place because this application might be in use. So click on Command Option and Escape on your Mac keyboard. Find that adware and you need to stop it or terminate it to stop its process. Then you may go ahead and remove this adware, just as I explained before. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, download the software, install it. This is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection of any malware. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin scanning and researching your computer. And even these three free features by Combo Cleaner will help you to essentially optimize the general performance of your Mac computer and make it much faster. You need to wait until the scanning is successfully completed. The scanning itself might, of course, take several minutes depending on various factors. Then at the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will give you the full summary of all the threats which were found by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, fake system optimizers, unwanted pop-ups, and other infections. So, as I said, at the end of the scan you'll see the summary. Click on Review Results. The summary shows the locations of threats. Some of them can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your system always protected in the future.